Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make cabbage fugaad. And the ingredients which I am going to use, I am going to show. That is, I have taken one medium size cabbage cut up fine, one small chopped tomato, cumin seeds, turmeric powder, salt, coriander leaves cut up, and 3 green chilies. So come on, let us start the recipe. I hope you all will like it. If you are new to my channel or if you like my channel, please subscribe. So come on, let us start the recipe. Put some mustard oil. Once the oil is hot, put in the green chilies. Put in the cumin seeds. Put in the fine cut up cabbage. Put in the salt. Put in some turmeric powder. Put in the chopped tomatoes. Put in the coriander leaves. Cover the cabbage and let it cook till the water dries up. Now I will put off the flame and dish the cabbage fugaad out. Cabbage fugaad is ready. You can have it with chapatis, rice. Thank you for watching my video.